started this this press briefing earlier before now. But unfortunately, we had some issues, but we thank God we are starting now. Thanks for your patience. Of Concerned Citizen Support Group of Nigeria. Started some few weeks ago, probably, and we have a network. We have a total numbers of over 1,500 within our groups right now across the federation. And we hope that in the next couple of weeks after this press conference, we're going to hit hundreds of thousands of followers in the next couple of weeks from now. I want to make the members of Concerned Citizen Support Group, esteemed compatriots, gentlemen of the press, you are heartily welcome to this August occasion, marking the formal launch and unveiling of Concerned Citizen Support Group of Nigeria, CCSGN. The CCSGN is a social, political organization with membership spread and still open to all Nigerians across the 36 states of the Federation, including Federal Capital Territory, FCT. The group seeks to play a leading role in Nigerian electoral process, thereby paving the way for the emergence of competent leadership across board. Leadership that will meet the yearning and aspirations of Nigerians, regardless of tribe, religion, or political affiliation. We want the kind of leadership that will take us back from the doldrum where we are today and reposition us on the path of economic prosperity and growth. Gentlemen of the press, there comes a time in the lives of people when geographic, ethnic, religion, or tribal sentiment are seen as not just primordial, but a distraction in every sense. We all know that the next few months leading up to the general election in 2023 will be a watershed moment for Nigerians. As concerned citizens who desire and indeed deserve a better deal in terms of leadership and good governance, we are determined to work very hard in order to get it right come 2023. For us, as Concerned Citizen Support Group of Nigeria, we have cast a panoramic glance on Nigerian political landscape these past years and have come to conclusion that His Excellency Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, tick all the boxes as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Our position stems from the fact that the seat of a President of the Giant of Africa should be for persons of impeccable character, persons with vision, courage, and empathy for the downtrodden. Indeed, the presidency should be for persons with a track record of delivering and dividends of democracy. Over the course of almost 7 years as Governor of Rivers State, Chief Nyesom Wike has turned the state into a massive construction site, building critical infrastructures that have direct impact on the socio-economic lives of the good people of Rivers State. These achievements has earned him the deserving nickname of Mr. Project. Therefore, our thinking is this: if Wikeism has worked for the people of Rivers State, it is high time it worked for all Nigerians too. At this juncture, we want to use this medium to call on the leadership of the People's Democratic Party to ensure that only their best candidates are fielded and given the necessary support in all categories of the elections. Because Nigerians are anxiously waiting to be liberated from the nightmare of insecurity and unprecedented hardship. I also want to congratulate the PDP National Working Committee on their inauguration. The task ahead of you may be daunting, but I am under no illusion that you are all capable and trusted hands. Thank you for coming. The kind of person His Excellency Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike is, I can tell you categorically that he has given all he has to PDP and will do whatever it takes to make sure PDP remains the same, and will not in any way do whatever that would make PDP not to become the formidable force they are right now, to APC. And if in events that the National Working Committee of the party decides to zone the presidential tickets to the north or to the south, I believe strongly that there's going to be an harmonious understanding, and whoever emerges will be given all the necessary support that the person deserves. And I also want to tell the audience here that Concerned Citizen Support Group, we are concerned not just for his barrister, Nyesom Wike, Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike. We are open to a lot of other candidates within the states who actually are vying for various positions in terms of governorships and all that. And we'll look at who is the best among them within the states. And we, as far as we have cut across, we have all our members across the 30 states of the Federation, down to ward level and local government and ward level. We have our various coordinators. We are going to choose among those people within who has distinguished themselves within their various states, that to show that who has dedicated interest in running for for their various governorship candidate within their particular state. We're going to give the person the necessary support we can from the Concerned Citizen Support Group. And the Concerned Citizen Support Group has its own website, which will be live from today. You can go online, you checked it, you will see our members, how you can become, if you want to become a member of Concerned Citizen Support Group, you can go in and register, and immediately you register, we're going to have your details at the back end. And all we need is just to see that we have people who have understanding of the present situation we're finding ourselves as far as Nigeria is concerned. We want to get those people on board so that we can liberate ourselves from the kind of issues, insecurity, and a lot of other issues we have right now that we need to look into. We are looking for people who have a capable understanding of the system, who will come on board with us as a concerned citizen. You might feel you're not into politics, but we are all politicians, irrespective of whatever you play politics across board. But then you need to be involved. Whatever age you are, being it young, old, whatever, you need to get yourself involved. And the only way you can assist your country, your nation, is to be involved in the decision making of your nation. And the only way you can get involved is to get yourself into the political system, because that is where everything everything about the country is being decided. And you feel you are less concerned, it will directly or indirectly affect you. So I urge every one of you who is in this hall today, as soon as we leave here, you have the site is open. You can go there, register, and we're going to be having our state offices across the Federation too as we go. And whatever issues we have contact centers there which you can reach us from. Thank you. Any other question? In that capacity. And I'm assuring you, he's across board, even the local government councillors and various chairmen, we have a lot of women, and even within the cabinet, we have a lot of women. And as you said, I'm going to convert your message to him that he should get a vice presidential candidate that we're going to be a woman. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and the supporters of Concerned Citizen Support Group of Nigeria. Please.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.